Assigning true/false if a token is present in a data frame. My current data frame is I want a data frame similar to the following, where a column is added based on whether a Trump token, Trump, Donald J is mentioned in the keywords, and if so then it is assigned true. I have tried multiple ways using def functions, but cannot achieve my wanted results. Some of the ways I've tried are or, raw input, try,
use a vectorized approach. It will be faster than using apply.
How about applying a function that checks set membership? Output. As to your attempts, wouldn't work because any def keywords would always evaluate true, which isn't equal to Trump, Donald J, so the above will always return array false. Doesn't work because it raises type error since there is no comprehension here. Doesn't work because token in LSD is a Boolean value, so is nonsensical.
Try my way. I create a list before adding it to data frame.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.